Everyone is talking about generative AI, but what exactly is GenAI and how does AWS make it easy for developers? In this video, we'll break down the core concepts of GenAI and explore the powerful tools AWS provides like Bedrock, Amazon Q, and Kiro. At its simplest, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content, not just analyze what's already there. Think of text generation for articles, chatbots for customer service, creating stunning images, or even writing complex code snippets automatically. While traditional AI might tell you if a photo has a cat in it, generative AI can actually draw a brand new cat based on your description. It's about creation, producing original data that mimics human-like intelligence across various formats. But building these models from scratch is hard. That's where AWS comes in with its managed services. AWS provides the infrastructure and tools so developers can focus on building applications rather than managing complex server clusters. The first major piece of the puzzle is Amazon Bedrock, a fully managed service for foundation models. With Bedrock, you get a single API to access top-tier models from providers like Anthropic, Meta, and Amazon itself. It's perfect for building intelligent chatbots, summarizing long documents, or creating enterprise-grade AI applications quickly. And the best part, your data stays private and secure, never used to train the base models. Next is Amazon Q, an AI-powered assistant designed specifically for work and developers. For developers, Q is integrated into your IDE to help you write code, debug errors, and even plan new features. For businesses, Q can search through your company documentation to provide instant, accurate answers and boost overall productivity. It's like having an AWS expert and a senior developer by your side 24/7. Finally, let's talk about Kiro, an agentic AI ID that's changing how we build production software. Kiro uses a spec-driven approach. It translates your prompts into detailed technical designs before writing a single line of code. As an intelligent agent, Kiro can investigate your code base, identify necessary changes, and modify files autonomously to meet your goals. This ensures that the software you build is not just a prototype, but maintainable, scalable, and ready for production. Together, these tools form a powerful ecosystem that empowers developers to build smarter and faster than ever before. From foundation models with Bedrock to agentic development with Kiro, AWS is the place to build the next generation of AI apps. If you want more simple AWS and GenAI videos, subscribe and follow for more. Thanks for watching.